Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Wednesday, June 18th. Well, a streak's intact, 3 days of upward movements, not a whole lot though yesterday. The S&P led the day up 0.25%. We were up 5 points, 1933 and 3/4. Dow futures added 31, 16,729, and the Nasdaq steady but positive, up 1/4 point at 37.72 in the E-mini Nasdaq 100 futures. The dollar added 14 ticks to 80.72. Didn't mean to scare anybody. The euro currency backed off 25 at 135.47. Did get as high as 135.93. So that 136 level that we've talked about, it did push up before a little bit of profit-taking selling. We'll see how this euro can try and base out here and make a bottom, and it needs to push above 136 to kind of confirm that. Bond market down 29, 135.02, pushing yields a little bit higher. Crude oil off 55 cents as tensions eased a little bit for a day anyways in the Mid-East at 105.90. The high of the session was 107.18 and the low was 106. So a pretty tight range trying to figure out where the next move is in the crude oil market after the big run up to 9-month highs. And gold down $3, 12.72, holding steady, did get as low as 12.58, so it did rebound after some profit-taking selling and came back to near the unchanged level. So after the positive action again for the third day in a row, after the big sell-off that we saw midweek last week, it's good to see, for the bulls anyways. Well, the markets this morning right now are steady to higher. We're up 0.5 point at 1934.25 in the E-mini S&P. 1947 is the all-time high from the 9th, so we're not that far away from it. 16,732 up 3 is where the Dow futures are. 37.77 up 4 3/4. The Nasdaq's leading the way here this morning. The dollar drifting lower, 80.65 down 7, giving the euro currency a bit of a push here. 135.73 up 26. Again, yesterday's high is 135.93. Bond market up 7, 135.08. Like I said, the yields have been pushed higher, 3.44% in the 30-year and 2.64% in the 10-year note, solidly above that 2.5 pivot that everyone keeps an eye on. Crude oil up 30 cents at 106.20, and gold down $1 at 12.71. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're positive to start the morning, up 0.5 point in E-mini S&P at 1934.25 and up 3 in the Dow futures. I will see you early Thursday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here in Chicago at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.